Welcome to AP Chemistry. This is Miss O'Brien. And this will be your first online video introduction. So for those of you who have never used BlendSpace before, BlendSpace gives me an opportunity to organize all the information, allow you to comment on all different kinds of things I find, and even have a chance for some online simple quizzes. This is a view from a student account I created. Under My Lessons, it says you have none, create one, and later on in this year you actually will create one. It's very, very simple. But for now, we're going to look under Class Lessons. So under Class Lessons, the first one you have is Welcome to AP Chemistry. For each unit, you can actually have a different lesson. It tells you when things were modified, how many people have viewed it, and who's the owner. In this case, it would be me, but whenever one of your classmates creates one, you'll see who created that one as well. So for now, if I click on Welcome to AP Chemistry, then I come to this page. And in this page, I have my different boxes. Now for now, I have two empty because that's where this video is going to go by the time you see it. But it starts out with number 1 and just has a T, meaning it's just text. Now to open any box throughout a BlendSpace, you just hit the circle. So we have a T for text, the little document page is for documents, some more text, some videos. Here's a random AP Chem rap, that was kind of funny. Next I have a little 2-question quiz just to get you used to how the quizzes work. And then I have some videos to help you memorize the polyatomics. Now notice how on number 6 it says, soon the first video for the review packet will be posted here. Come back to begin watching the review videos. So as I add more to this BlendSpace, to an area where I can blend different information, you'll see the updates throughout. Now you can click on these in any order to watch each document by clicking on the circle, or in the top left there's a play button. When you hit the play button, you get a different view. The play button opens up each document in a full form, and to the right you have a comment section. Now sometimes I might post a question up here to have you comment to while you're reading through. And if you pay extra, you can even do voice comments. But I would just say stick to the text comments, keep it free. If you would like to turn the view into a full page, you can hit the full page. If you want to exit out back to the previous view, you hit the X. But if you hit this like button, it brings up another very important thing. You can comment giving it a like, but you can also click, can we go over this in class? This will give me a list of how many people want to go over the concept. Now for this point, just saying read through your packet, hopefully you don't need me to go over this. But if it's a video going over notes that I had taught in class that day and you're still struggling with that, clicking on this gives me some real up-to-date information on where everyone is in the class. Now in the bottom right, this gives you a scroll through as we're going through which box we're in. Right now we're in number 1. And as you hit this little arrow on the side, you'll scroll through each box. If we hit the X in the top arrow, it brings us back to the previous page. On this page, once again, we have each BlendSpace area. And right here I have my summer work instructions. This is what you were given in school. If you need to open this or if you've lost a copy, it's here to download and print. But we also have our 2 options for printing out the review booklet. Now the review booklet can be made into a booklet or into a packet, depending on your printing options at home. The booklet will look like this in the PDF file, where page 1 is here and page 39 is on this side, because whenever you print them all out, front and back, it will go 1, 2, 3, 4 like a booklet all the way through to number 39. Your final product, once it prints out and you staple it, will look like this. A folded over 8.5 by 11 booklet. Make sure you put your name on the front. However, if you do not have the capability to print front and back, or if this looks cumbersome to you, you have another option. If you open up the packet printing option or the full page option, the document looks like this, because you'll have a full page starting page 1, 2, both on the first page. If you print all of these off, either one-sided or two-sided, and staple the top left corner, you'll end up with a final product of this. Either way, you'll end up with a packet that you can use to take notes as I go through the review. There will be videos correlating to every page in this packet, and none of this needs to be done on your own. The focus of this packet is to cover all of the concepts that were basically covered in Chem 1. The areas that you struggle with in this packet will let you understand where you're going to be strong with and where you're going to be weak as we go into Chem 2. Now, as you've read through the instructions, you know that there will be a test over this information. It will not expand beyond what is part of this packet, but this packet does give you a general idea of where you need to be working very hard to get ahead in this class. So that's it for my quick introduction into blend space for your AP Chemistry class. If you have any questions, make sure to message me on Edmodo or email me at summer.o'brien@fortbendisd.com. Remember, none of the work here should take more than a day to do. I do want you to enjoy your summer, but I want you to be prepared for AP Chemistry as well. So have fun, and I'll see you in the next video.